Imagine serving a restaurant-quality meal that leaves your guests speechless, all without breaking the bank. Hi, food lovers. Welcome back to the channel where we turn simple ingredients into culinary magic. Today, I'm spilling the secrets on how to cook a gourmet meal on a budget that'll have everyone begging for seconds. This is your ultimate guide to impressing anyone, date night, family dinner, or friends night in, while keeping your wallet happy. So grab a notepad, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into creating a show-stopping meal that's affordable, delicious, and evergreen. Step 1. Plan like a pro. First things first, planning is your superpower. Gourmet doesn't mean expensive, it means smart. Start by picking a star dish. Let's go with a creamy garlic butter chicken with roasted vegetables and a side of herb-infused rice. Sounds fancy, right? But here's the kicker. You can make this for under $15 to serve 4. Check your pantry for staples like rice, olive oil, and spices. Then make a list of budget-friendly ingredients. Chicken thighs, cheaper than breasts, seasonal veggies like carrots and zucchini, and garlic. Your flavor, MVP. Shop at discount stores or local markets for deals, and don't sleep on frozen veggies. They're just as nutritious and often cheaper. Pro tip, buy in bulk for staples you'll use again. Planning keeps costs low and flavors high. Step 2. Elevate with simple techniques. Now, let's talk cooking techniques that scream gourmet without fancy equipment. Hook. Want to know the secret chefs use to make every dish pop? It's all about layering flavors. For our chicken, season generously with salt, pepper, and paprika. Affordable spices that pack a punch. Sear the thighs in a hot pan with a tablespoon of butter and olive oil for that golden crust. Don't toss the pan drippings. Add minced garlic, a splash of cheap white wine or chicken broth, and a dollop of cream or even milk to create a silky sauce. This technique, called deglazing, is your ticket to restaurant vibes. For the veggies, toss them in olive oil, salt, and dried rosemary, then roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. The caramelized edges will make them taste like they came from a 5-star kitchen. Step 3. Make rice a showstopper. Rice is a budget hero, but we're not serving plain grains here. Hook. Ready to turn boring rice into a dish people rave about? Toast the rice in a pan with a teaspoon of butter and a pinch of dried thyme before boiling. This simple step adds nutty, aromatic depth. Use chicken broth instead of water if you have it. It's a game changer for flavor. If you're feeling extra, toss in some chopped parsley or green onions from your fridge. Suddenly, your $1 rice is a gourmet side dish that ties the meal together. Step 4. Plate like a chef. Presentation is everything. Hook. Want your meal to look as good as it tastes? Channel your inner artist. Use a white plate for a clean, elegant look. Place the rice in a small bowl, pack it, then flip it onto the plate for a perfect dome. Slice the chicken thighs diagonally and fan them out for drama. Spoon that creamy garlic sauce over the top, letting it drip for Instagram-worthy appeal. Arrange roasted veggies in a colorful arc and sprinkle with a pinch of herbs for that final touch. Your guests will think you trained with Gordon Ramsay. Step 5. Wow them with dessert. No gourmet meal is complete without a sweet finish. Hook. Think dessert is too expensive? Think again. Whip up a no-fuss chocolate mug cake. Mix flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, milk, and a drop of vanilla in a mug. Most of these are pantry staples. Microwave for 90 seconds, and boom, a decadent treat for pennies. Top with a dusting of powdered sugar or a scoop of budget ice cream. It's indulgent, quick, and guaranteed to impress. Call to action. There you have it, a gourmet meal on a budget that'll make you the talk of the table. If you loved this tutorial, smash that like button, share it with your foodie friends, and subscribe for more wallet-friendly recipes that taste like $1,000,000. Want to grow your wealth online while cooking like a pro? Click the link in the description to check out our amazing digital marketing products. They're your secret ingredient to building success. Drop a comment below with your favorite budget dish, and let's keep the culinary magic going. See you in the next video.